When producing food for people or pets, replicating your recipes is key to your success. The Intelligent Ingredient System from Horizon Systems is an innovative, recipe matrix-based approach to automating the storage, access, and use of ingredients of every kind. This flexible approach to ingredient management reduces the production footprint needed for multiple products while introducing unprecedented levels of precision, control, and safety. Let's take a closer look at how the Horizon Systems Intelligent Ingredient System works. As part of our end-to-end design capabilities, our systems often include bulk material unloading from hopper trucks, PD trucks, or rail cars. Inventory management begins with bulk material receiving, where we initiate lot tracking. The system automatically updates inventory levels by vessel. Major and minor ingredients often arrive in small bags or boxes on pallets or in super sacks. Our Intelligent Ingredient System incorporates custom routines into the receiving process, ensuring all ingredients get tracked. Rigid intermediate bulk containers or totes provide safe storage and flexible access to ingredients. Small bags, as well as super sacks or bulk bags, can be transferred into RIBCs. Designing the right options for storage and access is where the Horizon Systems difference begins. By understanding your recipe matrix, we can make the best use of your production space. Lot tracking and inventory management practices provide traceability for every ingredient. Items are tracked one step forward and one step backward from each inclusion point. Custom recipe software checks inventory and identifies the location of each inclusion point and the proper weight needed for the next batch. Gain in weight and loss in weight logic help manage proper weighments for each ingredient and reduce human error. Bulk bag dischargers, RIBC feeder stands, hand add stations, and a micro-inclusion station can all be added to the process design as needed. Having flexibility in the configuration of components makes product changeover efficient, especially with easy-to-clean equipment. Micro-ingredients and hand adds can be essential to particular recipes. Tracking these micro-ingredients within a batch begins right at the inclusion point. At the hand add station, the system identifies the proper ingredient and weight before it gets measured and delivered into the process. When adding minor ingredients from small bags directly into minor bins, the control system protects against improper inclusion. A scanning routine using RFID tags or QR codes ensures the batch uses the correct bag. The system also initiates tracking at this point. Once the system knows it has all the proper ingredient amounts available for the recipe, it accurately weighs and delivers the materials to the mixer for production. The Intelligent Ingredient System from Horizon Systems provides the precision you need to succeed in a highly competitive market, all while protecting your products, processes, and personnel. Contact a Horizon Systems representative today to learn more.